Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, traders? I hope y'all are all having a good morning this morning. Sorry I'm going live a little later today. I had to run some errands this morning, but I caught myself in a couple of trades so far. I'm in this GJ sell and I'm in this USD CAD buy right now. And then we'll just have to see what happens with these trades, bruh. But we're in there like swimwear. Looking decent, bro. Looking pretty solid, if you ask me. How's everybody doing this morning, y'all? Y'all doing good? Y'all doing nice? Y'all doing fine? How's y'all's weather today? Let me pull up the chat. What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Shorty had them chatting bottle jeans. I'm just kidding. I don't know what that's all about. Boys, relax. Chill out. How you guys doing? You guys doing good this morning? Damn, USD CAD was up like 1% just now, bro. Came all the way back down right here. Yikes, bro. All the way back to our entry, huh? The spreads this morning seem wicked, bro. Like, how is my entry down like nearly 0.5%? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's kind of wicked if you ask me. There's some news I don't know about or something, bro. Oh, God. We got news in 4 minutes. I'm an idiot. We got news in 4 minutes. I'm an idiot. I'm going to close these out and break evens because we got news here in a minute. I'm going to wait for this news to hit real quick. For the day, I'm down about 1.25%. Took a little loss earlier, but we'll see what happens, bro. Oh, USD CAD is flying now. Right back into profit, bro. But we gotta wait. We gotta wait for this news to hit. We got red folder news hitting in 3 minutes. Once it hits, then we'll look for opportunity. You guys doing good today? Everybody doing fantastic? We got that news, bro. We got that news. We got that news coming in, gangsters. News releases in 30 seconds, so we're waiting for some news real quick, and then we'll look for more opportunity right after. News coming out in 2, 1, release the beast. Some red folder news releasing right now. Yeah, red folder news right now, technically. Oh, fuck. Fuck, dude, I closed that bitch out. We wait till after news, bro, because that candle could have been a big ass bullish one. It could have fucking destroyed us, bro. But damn, that sucks, dog. That's okay. It's okay, man. That shit happens, bro. That is a part of trading. I'm not gonna cap. Not gonna cap and gown, dog. DJ had a crazy melt to the downside. Mother sucker mine. Oh my god, GJ, you fucking bitch. Bro. GJ's a whore for that. That's tough, I'm not gonna lie. That's a tough pill to swallow. I was in that bitch. Bro, I was like, nah, bro, there's news. News is about to come out, dog. News is gonna fucking wreck us, bro. Oh. Yeah, damn. What a shame, bro. What a shame. Could have been up about 1 to 2.5 R. Don't cry over spilled milk, right? It's all good. It's all good, bro. And then this bitch, we were up fucking nearly 1 to 2. And then this bitch wanted to dump back down and we got closed out at break even. Well, we didn't. We closed out because news was releasing. We're like, nah, we don't want to fuck around and stay in during that news. We don't want to fuck around and stay in during that news, bro. GU, I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close for some retracement lower to catch a bullish buy. We'll just have to wait and see on that one. What's gold doing? Goldilocks just opened a new 4-hour candle. Goldilocks just opened a new 4-hour candle right now at 10. I would love to see it come below that. Hold for some buys. Because, yeah, this shit's bullish as a mother sucker. In the meantime, I'm going to roll a little blunt skitties. What's up, Rashab? How you doing, man? Cleared stage 1 of my 3-stage prop challenge. Good shit, bro. Congrats on that. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, man. One step closer, bruh. 3 in the morning. Gordon. Been him all along. Out of places I have gone. Yeah, it's gonna be a very volatile week, bruh. Very, very volatile. We ready? We ready. We ready for ya. We ready. We ready. We ready. Bro, I took this GJ sell, But I got scared because news was releasing, so I closed it at a break even, and that shit melted. I'm like, fuck me. It's okay though. I don't get no risk. Damn. I don't no respect. Damn. Check, huh? Fucking needs my stress. God damn. And then USD CAD I was in, but then it came all the way back down. I'm like, oh, fuck, bro. But like the spreads are fucking brutal this morning too. The spreads are kind of fucking rough this morning, yo. Like at my entry price level, where it was at my entry, I was down nearly 0.5%. I'm like, holy shit. Gonna celebrate clearing stage 1 by drinking in the middle of the day tomorrow. Hey, bro, day drinking. That's lit, bro. Massaging. I told my bitch she can't be for me. She called me daddy, my deep in it. The best spreads are on the commission-based brokers for real capital. Makes sense, bro. Dog, I haven't experienced that this whole time though. Trading this fucking 1 minute time frame on this prop firm challenge, I haven't experienced that this whole time. It just seemed like this morning, all of a sudden, the spreads were fucking crazy. Yeah. Oh shit, GJ was fucking brutal, bro. I was like, holy shit. Dude. I'm not in that. I exited at break even before news. It's okay. Juiced up. Oh, just bro. I'm pulled up. Drink some more today. I'm high now. Side now. Go ahead, come alive now. What's that? Ocean Spray. Don't give a fuck where you catch him at. He gotta go today. I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Confirms a new direction for me. Like I need to breathe. I need to switch that out of league. Out of the league. I got some needs. I need the money. Like I need to breathe. I need sleep. I need the W by any means. Yada me. I'm used to zero spreads on my major pairs with my broker, so I get scared every time I see a high spread with these fucking prop firms. So problematic, bro. The entry is never where you want it. That's scalping, bro. That is scalping, bro. Like I see some pretty crazy spreads all the time. But man, this morning was just different, bro. It was a different type of spread. I was like, holy fuck, dude, this is crazy. Bang. I hope they never say my name in vain. I never having a bad news. Someone I've never been fragile. Is R&B tattoos. Oh me, you gonna turn me back into a savage. I've been this shit you couldn't imagine. Leveled up and then bought me a mansion. I can never go back to the old days. Nowhere. Does YouTube pay for streams? They do, as long as it's not copyrighted. But because I listen to music all the time, all my shit is copyrighted, bro. I don't run ads on my videos anymore. I was before, but I haven't been recently. I've just been like, fuck it, bro. But so far from this YouTube channel, I've made about $700 off of this YouTube channel, which is pretty nice. I've never to say that I've made money from YouTube is pretty cool. Like I got that shit deposited and everything. But I haven't got paid from YouTube in months just because my view count went down whenever I kind of ghosted the channel like a couple years ago, a year and a half or so ago. So my view count dropped and I haven't been putting any advertisements on my videos at all. So I haven't got paid from YouTube in a while. Damn, GU was just blowing the fuck up. Why'd you stop posting vids in general? Like with the concepts and stuff, you can still monetize that, right? Yeah, you can still monetize it. The reason why I stopped was just because I was getting discouraged, bro. I kept fucking losing. Like every time that I would live stream in front of everyone, dude, we had like hundreds of people watching, bro. And like I kept taking L after L after L. And I was like, fuck, dude. Like I just feel like I wasn't good enough to provide the type of value that everybody thought they were getting from me. I don't know. Maybe my like, because I was technically kind of teaching what I was doing and maybe my teaching style. A lot of people said that the way that I like went about teaching shit was just a lot more like it helped them a lot more, you know what I mean? And I feel like my teaching style was maybe the reason why I was getting views. But like it just sucked because I didn't know for a fact if I was putting you onto some right information or not, you know what I mean? I didn't know for a fact, and the reason why it wasn't a fact was because I kept losing with that shit. You know what I mean? It's like I didn't want to put anybody down the wrong path and like, you know, stunt their fucking growth and like prevent them from like reaching profitability a lot sooner, you know what I mean? At the time, I just believed there was a lot more better creators who would be worth listening to over me, you know what I mean? That's just how I felt, bro. It was more of like I was just trying to be unselfish, bro. Realistically, like I didn't want to be selfish and just like waste everybody's time because I felt like I was. Father, please forgive us. Couldn't tell the difference, and it's on me. I don't need to seek attention just to keep these women's on me. Let's go. All right, 6 pip stop on GU. .67 lot size. Buy that bitch. So I'm in GU right now. My stops are below these lows right here. Now, if that gets taken out, I'm considering it a turtle soup, and we'll just reframe our Fibonacci levels. But I'm expecting an expansion bullish into what I consider low-hanging fruit. This is like a silver bullet to me because we're so close to taking out external range liquidity of the 15-minute. Right now, we're technically trading the 15-minute candle open, low, high, close. This is a 15-minute power of 3 that we're scalping right now. Yeah. Wow. How many problems you got? How many people done got it? How many vatos you shot? How many times did you cry? How many times did you cry? I'm with these stats. I'm gonna ride with the stick. Dead and rich. If I turn to a snitch, but on 24 for L, ain't no way I'ma switch. Penitentiary chances just to get a couple bucks. My heart's so cold, I could put it in my cup. Gang versus world, me and my dog, it was us. Then you went and wrote a statement, and that really fucked me up, cuz turned me to the streets. My blood run life, and it turned me to the streets. Damn, this 4-hour candle said, fuck you, cuz. Fuck you, cuz. Let you out to rock. Decent. How many times you die? How many times you cheat? How many times you lie? How many times you bleed? How many times you cry? How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these bats. Yeah. Stopped in the studio, see my homie 21. Yeah, there's kids in there. That's a stand-up dude for sure. Question. How many fake in these streams? Getting replaced from machines. I can see behind the smoke. They never say anything. Everybody got their thing. Some has made millions. Others has made memes. I don't want money routine. I don't want smoke on cream. I don't want no more comparisons. This is a marathon and I'm aware of it playing. If you want everything else. Okay, no problem. I'll show it on and everybody else will know what the album will be. I bet it doesn't. Don't even like rapping with me. Let me tell me, send me a spot on a new record he got. I called it a lot. I opened my fucking jack. Rip it to Kashi, they want to ride. I picked it inside. None I made to the top. Wondering if it was worth it or not. I break cocaine because it worked at the shot. I just want you to know that you got it, my name. We want to see it take out this external range liquidity. So this is like a 15-minute. Overall, it's like a 4-hour power of 3 for the 4-hour candle. So the 9 a.m. candle opened, it retraced low, gave this 15-minute setup, turtle souped, and now it's beginning the expansion phase. And now we're trading a 15-minute power of 3 candle. So it's like the 4-hour power of 3 showing its distribution phase, and then once it shows that distribution phase, we're getting in on that 15-minute power of 3. And this is like the silver bullet right here because this is really low hanging fruit. So we want to see it violate the mother out of that bitch. Know what I'm saying? Where's our take profit? Take profit is 35585. How much money we got? So this is our take profit right here. We just ran out that external range liquidity, but we want it to like actually run that shit. You know what I'm saying? We want to see it like look pretty through that bitch. You know what I'm saying? How many times you cheat? How many times you lie? How many times you leave? How many times you cry? How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with these stats. Take profit hit. Let's go, baby. That was a great trade. Nice. Yeah. Damn, bro. How you gonna tell me that that was a 2%, bro? I put my TP and it said my take profit was 2%, right? Bitch, that's about $13 short of a 2%. I need that full. This is just a little recap so far on the day. We took this GJ trade that we got stopped out about 1.25%, which sucks. Look at how it looked. So we took this one right here, and then we got stopped out right here. And then we were in this setup right here, which we closed at break even. Oops, I did not mean to close that fucking window. Damn it. We closed that second GJ trade right here at break even. Look at right here, GJ sell. We closed it at break even because news was releasing with this fucking candle. Too bad we didn't hold through that. Same with USD CAD. We had closed it because we didn't realize that news was about to release. So we closed it right here at break even. I mean, like small loss because of commissions or whatever, but we closed that. And then we just caught this GU 1 minute scalp right here for 15-minute power of 3. So overall on the day, we're up a little over 0.5% at the moment. On gold, I'm waiting for gold to set up because gold just had this 4-hour candle open at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to see it open, retrace lower. I mean, we already had the low part, but this is a 4-hour candle. There's a lot that's going to still come. You know what I mean? So I want to see it retrace lower, maybe turtle soup here, tap into some discount prices on gold, and then I'll look for buying opportunities. But now that we have secured our setup on GU, you guys, I think this moment in time, let's see. GJ could potentially be giving a setup if we framed our fib like this, considering this a turtle soup. My only issue with it, this 15-minute candle closes in a couple of minutes. I never put my stop loss to break even, bro. If I can't even see you, way out of here, I'm too blind. If price holds like within this area on this 15-minute candle close, I may look for a buying opportunity. Switch my bias. There are very specific reasons as to why I'm doing that, but this is something that I'm working on, and this is not no ICT concept whatsoever. This is a hotshot concept, straight up. I don't think I've ever seen someone teaching what I'm low-key utilizing at the moment. Disregarding ICT concepts, bro. Like, if I'm able to make this shit work that I've been working on, because I have very specific criteria right now, if I'm able to make this shit work, bro, I think I've unlocked a cheat code to trading, personally. I've been working on this for so long. I feel like it's like starting to come to like full circle. If you combine it with like ICT concepts, it works phenomenally. But I want to get to the point where we don't need ICT concepts, know what I'm saying? This is like a pretty solid model of mine. I'd say so myself. Stop wasting my time. I can't even hear what you say. Ain't finna do shit. Bitch. Turn. I'm back in the living. I'm back in the living. I'm riding the gator. My shoes are deceptions. You got the reverend. Alright, so it closed like that. Once that we in the neighborhood, bro. Standing at the corner store with a pocket full of gold. I began me. Your wife a hood hoe. Pocket full of stones. Like you broke a heart, folk. I'm saying it's pretty card now. May stay patient just for it to show us its hand first. Right now, I believe it might be at a potential reversal stage, and this is the open low to potentially distribute higher, but we want to wait for it to show us its hands first. We want to see it potentially have that expansion first, give us that idea like, all right, yeah, it's showing proof that it's going to start going bullish bias, and then the next one, look for opportunity type shit, know what I'm saying? The next 15-minute candle. Because right now, I think this it's not a bad buy, personally, but it's an aggressive buy. Just because it was selling off pretty heavily, you know what I mean? And to anticipate that this is the reversal right now, a lot of times you can get wrecked on reversals. So like if you allow the reversal to show you its hand first and then participate right after, might be a little bit better. We could get you paid. We're not interested in shit you say. Don't be blowing me up. You see me in my line? I can't even hear what you say. Ain't finna do shit. This shit's messier than fuck, I know. It's just because I have everything drawn off the 1 minute. My shoes are deception. When it bounce on that play, I'm gonna bounce on these bitches. Once they be in the neighborhood, bro. With a pack full full of gold. I'll be damned if I can wipe a hood hoe. Learn that from huge game with the constant show. USD CAD is just consolidating its fucking tiny off.
Before starting my journey at WGU, I transferred from a community college.
Damn, Eurodollar went crazy. Mother sucker went nuts.
So it just gave me that flexibility to be able to do my courses whenever.
Learn more now.
Yep, there she goes. So there's GJ showing us its hand right there. You see what I mean? We need to wait for that hand to be shown first. I like this. Let it show us its hand. Once that 15-minute candle closes, we could look for like 15-minute power of 3 type shit. Know what I'm saying? Or if you want to be a savage, you could look for entry right there. Stop loss right here at 9. Keep the bitch drunk. Got it, cool. 14. Beat it in. Put it in the couch. Let it spin. When the car's there, then we call in. She done popped all out. She done called me. Pretty much a smash on. Get the raw in. I have to keep going. Look at GJ, bro. So inspirational. So now it's showing us its hand, right? We still have about 10 more minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. And once it closes, we want to look for a 15-minute power of 3 bullish. Get what you want, you want, you want. You getting it on, you keeping it honest. And if it's truly bullish right now, this little retracement that is doing at the moment, you could frame a fib within a fib, right? From this low right here up to this high right here, you can frame a fib within a fib, right? See how it came into this for value gap? It could reach even deeper, right? Type shit.
Tempur-Pedic designed the Ergo Pro Smart Base to help you fall asleep more easily.
The number one reason traders struggle to make consistent profits is because there are too many traders.
There are hella traders out there teaching shit.
What's up, Vince? What's good, brother? I'm good. Straight. Straight, brother. I'll be back. You already know what I got.
I don't even know if y'all heard me, but showing us a bunch of bullish direction right now. You know, we just turtle souped. Now we're heading towards this external range liquidity. Once this 15-minute candle closes and provides us some bullish direction, we're gonna look for a buy on GJ. We're gonna look for a buy on GJ. On GJ. On GJ. Let's see what happens, my gangsters. Gold is just being a consolidated mother sucker. Consolidated lady. A consolidated lady. I like that. Ha ha. A consolidated lady. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. That sounds real good. Damn, AUDJPY is fucking ugly. Yo. I don't know why my mic keeps cutting the fuck out. This mic keeps cutting the fuck out. About to buck out. All right, y'all. So, new 15-minute candle has just opened. We want to see it open, retrace. We want to see it come into an optimal trade entry, at least discount, bro. That's what we want, is at least discount. You know what I'm saying? We'll put stops like right here. It'll be like an 11 pip stop on GJ. It's going to be a 1.3 lot size on GJ. 1.30. We're going to look to buy that bitch. All right. We're going to look to buy that bitch. We want her to retrace. We don't want her to break out. Don't do that. Tell her don't do that. Might even respect this low because this is an intermediate term low right here. May just respect it. So it could even go bullish. Possible. Very possible. Let's see what happens right now. By the way, this is the last candle for the hourly as well. Got to keep that in mind too. So we don't want to expect that this 15-minute candle is just gonna fucking fly up. And I mean, it can, but don't just rely on that kind of shit. Don't just rely on that shit. We could even consolidate to end this last 15 minutes because of the 1 hour candle closing, right? Those are all the things that I'm thinking about. It's a lot to think about, but mainly I'm just keeping them in mind. You know what I mean? Like, if this happens, then this may happen. Like, all the probabilities is what I think of. So that way I'm familiar with, if that shit happens, I can execute type shit. You know what I'm saying? Since it's made a new higher high than this wick high, I'm gonna drag my fib to this intermediate term low right here. Why is it an intermediate term low? Because it has this short term low to the left and this short term low to the right, right? I'm just gonna drag my fib up a little bit. Right here, we'll see where this drives, because it's doing exactly what we want it to. Perfect. So then our stops, we're just going to leave it right down here because the way that candle closed. Anticipate potentially that it's going to retrace into discount price level. I mean, we could take the buy right here because we're in discount if we frame it off of this low, the intermediate term low. I'm going to just stick to my guns and stay right here. Let's see what it wants to do. What's up, Bronzy? How you doing, man? We about to catch another dub right here, bro. All right. I'm going to buy that bitch now. I'm in that hoe. It's an 11 pip stop. Like, look at that, bro. Look at that spread. That spread is crazy. All right, so 193362 is my entry. Boom. And I have an 11 pip stop. All right. Target about a 1 and 2. 193587. Stop loss. It's at 193252. All right. That's our trade we got going down right now. She better chill out. She better chill out. You know what I'm saying? She better chill out. We'll see what she does. Take profit is up there. So far on the day, Of course, we are up a little over 0.5% right now. So if this trade hits, we'll be up 2.5% for the day. So hopefully this trade hits. I'm going to go get ready really quick. I'm going to go brush my teeth because I got this stinky ass breath still. And then I'm going to go and get dressed really quick and then I'll be right back. Let's just see what happens, bro. Let's get it. Yeah, damn, I step away for 2 seconds and this bitch about to stop us out. Oh my goodness gracious. I didn't step away that long, GJ. What the fuck? What the fuck, GJ? I barely looked away, bro. Alright, that's some hoe shit. That's some hoe shit right there, bro. If it flies after that, bro, I'm gonna lock myself in a closet and go beat myself up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get in that bitch one more time, bruh. My stop loss is gonna be 193, about 193,145. 193,140. Alright. I re-entered that bitch. She ain't gonna play me, dog. She ain't gonna play me, bruh. She ain't gonna fuck me up. She ain't gonna fuck me up, bro. Nah. She ain't gonna fuck me up, bro. Bitch, you better fly. And you better fly like the wind, Bullseye. Know what I'm saying, GJ? All right, let me for real go get ready real quick. Because, damn, that had me fucked up. See, GJ, you weren't fooling me, baby. Come on now, you weren't playing with daddy. You ain't playing with daddy. All right, this is our 1 hour open is right here, right? It could just stay above it for all I care, right? It could just do a thing. It could just fly bullets. It could just, it could just keep going. It could just, whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? It could just keep going. We might just hold this bitch for a little bit. I got this new tool that I'm actually utilizing. It's very hot shot specific criteria. I'm gonna utilize it for a trailing stops kind of method to see if I could catch a nice runner. Because I've been back testing it. I've been working on this shit. Alright? Now, we'll see what happens, bro. See what happens with this trade, bro. Alright, my babies. You guys gotta go lay down. Let's go lay down. Come on. Let's go. Come here. My boys. Lay down. Hey, come on, boy. Come lay down. Andy. Lay down. This is looking fucking delicious, bro. It is looking very good right now. My pee-pee's kind of getting hard. My pee-pee is getting a little hard. All right, I'm lying. It's not getting a little hard. It's getting very hard. Highway. Stupid. Hot shot. Let's keep it PG. That's not okay. You right, dog. You right. You right, bro. All right, my trader homies, I will keep you updated on our Telegram group in regards to this trade. I gotta hop off. I'll see you guys tomorrow.